all of this, in combination with a mural, really optimises the atmosphere of a cafe or restaurant. Since 2014, 3D DecoArt has also been active abroad. In Shanghai, 80 kilometers from the Peruvian capital Lima, Hans is creating a new fantasy world in the attraction park Castillo Chancay. It all started with a pilot project to make the castle more attractive and to decorate it in a typical medieval style. Eventually, the entire castle is subject to a complete facelift. Like a part of the castle in The Legend of Camelot. Add a mural with a scene of the conquest of Peru, and the contribution to the metamorphosis of the castle becomes a reality. Interior was also decorated in a typical medieval style. The 3D decoration technique is applied to all walls of the castle. And with the introduction of a country theme, Hans gave himself the opportunity to incorporate famous or interesting architecture from different cultures. For example, he developed replicas of, amongst others, Petra in Jordan. The rocks around the castle giving a perfect comparison with the real Petra. The Forum Romanum was one of the biggest changes in the castle. With the entire side facade being rebuilt with pillars and the typical architecture of ancient Rome. Major murals of the Roman Empire complete this extensive project. The Acropolis of Athens flowed perfectly to the rear of the castle, which gives a nice view of the Pacific Ocean and the swimming pool. The garden is decorated with a waterfall and a replica of the Fontana di Trevi. Quite a tribute to Hans, whose name is inscribed in the stone roof. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon is another project, where all possible elements were used to imitate this ancient wonder of the world. Caves were imitated, with vaults from the resulting nooks and crannies. This technique has also been applied in other rooms, which form a beautiful whole with